And welcome in to be our guest. You know, it's almost time for the holidays, and if you're going to be inviting guests into your home, you want it to look the best it can. Jonathan Hibbert's here today from Georgia Floors Direct.
Yes, sir.
And you're the general manager of the store.
I am, yes, sir. Jeff has entrusted me to be the manager for some reason.
That's right. For some reason.
Right.
It's because you do the job. And
there you go.
That's the name of the game. It's how it's done.
That's
and
right.
Jonathan, you know, our viewers have been watching, because we've been doing a lot of features on Georgia Floors Direct. Been around for 50 years.
Sure has.
So you're not the new guy on the block.
Not anymore.
Started off as a carpet store, but now obviously the transition of everything, carpet is just perhaps just a small part of a person's home right now.
It is. We brought some samples, but this product here has been the most popular. We've got right now in stock over 50,000 square feet of hard surface flooring, as well as thousands of square feet of carpet. So if you're thinking about getting ready for the holidays, now would be a good time.
Yeah, because first of all, you have a sale going on through the end of the month.
We do.
And that's one important thing.
That is, and that's on everything in stock at the store. So that's
Right.
carpet, hardwood, vinyl plank, laminate, tile, anything that we have at the store in stock.
And of course, when you say in stock, you've got a big stock. You've got a huge warehouse.
We do. We have a huge warehouse in the very back behind our showroom where we keep everything. Carpets in the front of the showroom, and I'm sure your viewers have seen from the footage.
Right.
But yeah, so we're doing 50% off right now, all carpet remnants. So if somebody's looking to do 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms of carpet,
Right.
come in, take a look at what we have. Everything's labeled, but if you're thinking about doing floor covering, I promise you, you won't find a better deal, especially right now through the end of the month.
During this time. And of course, the big thing that we need to bring out to our viewers is the fact that if you're going to try to do this thing to have your house ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas,
Right.
now is the time to do it so you can get in, get a price, get it measured, and get it installed so you're not handing the installation guy a turkey leg.
Right.
Say, yeah.
Yeah, so turnaround time, if you called us today and said, hey, I've got 1 room I need done, you're probably looking at about a week turnaround time, maybe
Right.
2 weeks, which is really quick. That's
Yes,
getting after
yes.
it. So, yeah, that would give you enough time to move furniture if you need to get the room ready. But having it installed at the end of this month or the beginning of next month would still give you plenty of time to decorate and get ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Do everything you
when
want
you're
to
having
do.
those people over.
That's right. And of course, you do other things like shades.
We do. So
Yeah.
we've extended our business into blinds, shades, and shutters. We do granite, quartz, and marble countertops. What we did there, so we've got a young man that we hired that takes care of all of our blinds. So similarly with the flooring, you call us, we get your information, we send it over to Micah, our blinds guy. You'll get a call in the next 24 hours. He'll set up a time to come out there and measure. Blinds do take about 4 weeks. There's about a 4-week lead time
Sure.
from when we order it because they're all custom.
Right.
We're not going to come out there and install blinds, and you're not going to have 20 blinds sitting down at the bottom of the windowsill. You may have 1 because they're going to be custom,
Set the way they need to be.
custom fit. Right, exactly.
And of course, when you call, obviously, a salesman will show you everything that's available.
Right.
And then they do the measurements and get everything the way it
Exactly.
needs to be.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yep.
Well, the sale's going on now.
It is. Now through the end of the
Now
month.
through the end of the month, it's a good time to do it.
Yes.
And just remember this, there is a little bit of lead time, but the important thing is for things that are in stock at the store, the material's already here.
Material's here, so
Yeah,
we don't have
so-
any wait time.
That's right. If you have the custom make something, there may be a little bit of a wait to get it in.
Right. And you said custom. One other thing we do, we have a guy that makes custom area rugs. So what that means,
that's-
any size, any shape, that's a big thing around this time. That's something somebody can do relatively easily
Yes.
with getting a rug put down, but it can change the entire look and feel of that room.
Absolutely, and that's become a new thing. Used to be you kept them forever, and now they change them up quite
Right,
often.
right. And all the remnants that we have, we can cut those down. So I mean, you could literally walk out of the store $150, $200 for a nice 8x10 area rug.
That's great.
And it's something that's going to last. It's not one of those discount area rugs that you
Right.
find around here that are $99, $200 that will last 6 months and then you throw it away.
Great.
I mean, these are nice pieces of carpet that we make into a rug.
Absolutely. Well, thanks so much. And
You're
remember,
welcome.
it's George's Floors Direct on the Eastern Bypass across from Lowe's. They're open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. in the morning till 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And we'll be right back right after this.